In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices from Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to find the right template, add it to your workspace, and tailor a few key fields so your invoicing flow is clear, consistent, and ready to use. Start by opening Airtable in your browser. On the left side, look for Templates and Apps. This is the gallery where Airtable curates ready-made bases and solutions so you don't have to build everything from scratch. It's the fastest way to get a solid invoicing structure without reinventing the wheel. From here, browse by category to narrow things down. Browsing helps you quickly surface workflows that match your use case and keeps you from sifting through unrelated templates. It's especially helpful if you're organizing a broader system that includes sales or operations alongside invoicing. Next, use the search bar and type invoicing. This focuses the gallery on solutions designed for billing, payments, and order management. You'll see options that already include fields and views commonly used for invoice tracking. For this walkthrough, choose the order tracking and invoicing template. It's a practical starting point because it blends order details with billing status so your invoice records stay connected to the work that generated them. You get structure right away and can refine it as you go. Click. Try this template. Airtable will create a copy in your workspace, complete with tables, fields, and example views. Give it a moment to load and then open the base so you can start tailoring it to your business. Now, make your edits. Review the tables and fields and adjust labels, currencies, and any default options to match how you operate. Keep your terminology consistent with how your team already talks about orders and invoices to avoid confusion later. Locate the name field and decide what it should represent. Many teams use it as the invoice title or number, like an internal reference you can easily search for. Use a clear, consistent naming pattern so every invoice can be found quickly. Find the complete field. This is typically a checkbox that indicates the invoice is finished or fulfilled. Use it to mark items that no longer need attention, and consider filtering views so only incomplete invoices remain front and center. Review the category field. Use it to group invoices by type, service, or product line. Keeping categories tidy helps with reporting and makes it easier to scan large lists. Finally, confirm the client field links each invoice to a client record. Accurate client links reduce duplicate data and keep contact details, histories, and totals aligned. With these edits in place, you're ready to create and manage invoices smoothly in Airtable.